Figure out where I'm going to put this light switch. I got all the out. Do a really nice tutorial on it. You're on.
Oh. Hey, Papa.
Yeah.
Need batteries.
Is that high quality H20?
Mm-hmm.
Good deal.
Good too.
Yep, something happened. Goodness. Yeah, it looks like it didn't break. I thought it might have broke, but I was right. Don't panic. Just either bend over or squat down and pick them electronics up. It's all swept. Now we get the cable, get the wiring ran. Oh boy, excuse me. Getting it all sealed up and making it look like a normal hallway. Well, normal to me. Figure out out where I'm gonna put this light switch. I got all the out. That's all we need. I believe that's all we're gonna need. One there, one here. So I got all of the holes drilled for the electrical right now to set the boxes and to light fixtures hung up to a light switch. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this light switch. I got all the outlets down through there done. Now all I gotta do is run the wiring and set the outlets. That's all I gotta do. Run the wiring, set the outlets. But right now, where am I gonna put this light switch? Where's gonna be the best place for this light switch? And I'm thinking the best place for this light switch. That's a 51 panhead I used to have. Dad was a Harley man too. Hey then, where was I at? I know we're doing that wall. Was it gonna, oh yeah. That's the, all right, there we are. Covered in sawdust. Get our mess cleaned up and run our wiring. Go down, we'll set the camera down on this end this time. I don't know if we got enough light or not. Nah, it's okay, no problem. They're meant to be dropped like that. If you ever drop a camera like that, don't worry about it, it's okay. All you'll need to do is bend over or squat and pick it up. Might want to get her focused here. What happened? I think I broke it. It's not in focus. Yep, something happened. Yeah, looks like it didn't break. I thought it might have broke, but I was right. Don't panic. Just either bend over or squat down and pick them electronics up when you break them. It's all swept. Now we get the wiring ran. Oh boy.
So first, you destroy the box.
Go.
But be careful, don't cut yourself. I would not recommend using scissors. I would recommend using a knife, maybe, but scissors do work. Don't cut yourself with them. So now that you have it slightly open, just tear the rest open. You gotta make sure to cut that tape.
Right. Yeah. I have to edit this out.
Comes in a nice package. Definitely good. Comes in a really, really nice package. That's pretty fancy.
Anything's fancy to a country kid like you.
Excuse me?
Come on, sir.
Got a bunch of useless papers that nobody cares about. Just kidding, you should probably read these if you want to learn how it works and stuff. And yeah. Instruction manuals, there's like 17 of them. Well, actually, there's like 5.
Go. Keep going. You got it. Keep going. Go that way. this way. That's
protective covering right here. I'm not gonna take the interest yet. The remote controller. Okay, this thing is really, really nice.
okay. We're gonna be using my fancy square yardstick. I've had this thing for years, and I really like this thing. And I use it. I mean, I don't have to get this right on the money, you know. I just gotta kind of get it close, and I'm gonna do it in 36-inch increments here. So we're gonna go 36 to here.
Pretty sure you need to put this together though, because as you can see, it does not have the controller bits. I'm gonna open this very, very carefully because this is some nice packaging. Just kidding. Maybe.
Get the electrical wire. Stay with me. I got 200 feet of wire here. And we're just gonna start running it. I believe that's gonna be plenty. We're not taking this down to a millimeter, you know. This is not a science project. Just as long as we don't cut this too short, we're gonna be okay. We can always cut it off down here on this end. So I'm just kind of estimating how much I need. And I'm thinking that's gonna do it right there. Should have started down here. Changed my mind. Wise man will change his mind. A fool never will.
Screwdriver, charger. That's important. Not sure what this tiny piece. I don't know what that is.
You have 14 saved voice messages. First voice message sent today, Thursday, July 1st at 9:56 a.m. from 25250. Duration 10 seconds.
Hey, just wanted to call that you're alright, because we're not hearing it.
That shit.
Spare propellers. I'm pretty sure it's what's in here. There you go. Plenty of them. Or maybe just change one, because these ones do the same thing as this one's. Okay. And then the moment you've all been waiting for. The drone. This thing looks cool.
Be smarter than me. Just a hair. It may even roll by itself if you let the brake off. Up, right there, shut it off. Good job. Up there?
Well, you said it was really heavy.
What?
Let's go.
See the camera right there. That's pretty neat.
Go. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
I guess. Is that everything?
What are you doing to me, man? This camera.
Everything. So I guess we don't get attachments for this. Maybe that's what this is. Yeah, that's what that is.
Doesn't appear as though jack shit.
Hey, Papa,
Yeah.
need batteries. That hurts my thumb.
Maybe.
So these are the antennas, I'm pretty sure, and then they pop out.
roadblock. Persistence and patience. Woo! There we go. Always a roadblock. I don't do that. Persistence and patience. Woo! There we go. There, budget. Big fuck. Motherfucker. Get my time. I'm gonna burn this place down. I don't do that. More of that. Okay, well I got it ran. I got the 110 ran. I've got my one post here, or one pull out for one outlet. I'll come down here. I got another one here for another outlet, and then I left plenty of this here because I'm not sure if I'm going to go up here and put a switch, but I put enough where this will go all the way across and down to the door, so when you open the door you got the switch right here. I'm not sure that's what I'm going to do. I'm not sure how I'm going to, this door is going to be replaced. I'm going to figure out which way I want it to open here before I may want to open it the opposite way. If I open it the opposite way, then the light switch is going to go here or over here. You come out the door and hit the light switch, or you come out the door and hit the light switch. Where am I going to put this light switch? Where's going to be the best place for this light switch? And I'm thinking, but I got it all ran. I went up through this way, over and across, best that I could. This I'll hide later. It's actually going to be running across the top, and it'll be coming out down there. And then it'll be running across here and coming down from the ceiling there. We'll seal around the holes really good, and that'll be it. So I'm going to get the outlets and get them set to where I want them. Get them hooked up. And meanwhile, while I'm doing that, I will figure out where I'm going to put the light fixtures. I mean, that's pretty bright. That opens, that lights this place up pretty good. I think with everything closed, that one light might do this hallway. But I'll look. I may have to set two. One down on the end, and then one on this end. But I'm not sure yet. Not sure. I'm just not sure. But we'll know soon enough. We'll get to the point to where we know everything, and then it will be finished.
So this needs batteries.
We
need batteries.
It's supposed to have them. So, plenty of wire left. I got another 200 foot spool of it, and I'm going to use every bit of it. What are you doing? Mrs. What do you think you're doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, old kitty? What are you doing? We got Mrs. and we got Sir. Mrs. is the rotten one. She's a stray. I think she was an old street cat. She's an escaped artist, and she has corrupted Sir. I keep waiting for her to run away, but she don't. She comes back every time. But she's pretty rotten, man. She leaves you treats all over the floor. He doesn't do, Sir don't even get into garbage, or he didn't used to get into garbage until she came along and taught him how. But anyway, that's my one of my problems. There's the Sir there. He just chilled. He thinks he's a dog sometimes. He thinks he's a dog. He listens pretty much like a dog, don't you, buddy? Don't you, old boy, huh? You my buddy? Huh? You my buddy? Oh, yes. He didn't care too much for her coming around. Sometimes they're fine. Other times, man, they attack each other. You got a male here that's fixed. She's not. She's got an appointment to go get fixed. But she's winning heat a couple of times. He can't help her. Much as he tries. He can't help her. They bundle up together in the wintertime. They get along for the most part, but boy, when they get in it, when they get into it, like, see, he's like ready to get her right now. I can see by the look in his eyes there. He's ready to, see? See? Jealousy. Jealousy is a form of demonic possession. Did you know that, sir?
Hey, Papa.
Yeah.
Need batteries.
Are you kidding me?
No, the drone's rechargeable. This is the remote.
For real?
Yep.
It didn't come with them? Should have known better.
I didn't know what this is, but this is a stand. And apparently it doesn't come with things for these either, so you have to just go like that.
Oh, it doesn't these.
That's true.
Right then, now you agree with me that you've heard me out. So you should always listen to a guy first. Hear him out before you say no. That kind of batteries you gotta have. What's wrong? We having a lover's quarrel? Well, I'm not going to turn around and say I'm sorry. I'm not going to say I'm sorry either. Well, fine. Be a bitch. Huh, me a bitch? Better than a bastard prick like you. Huh. Get out. I am, but I'm doing it because I want to, on my own, not because you told me. Whatever.
This pops out too. Not sure what the heck is happening right now, but okay. That's weird. Oh, I see what it is. Okay, it's a stand. It's not an antenna. That's pretty neat, I think. Let's see if we can pair them together. Maybe. Oh, I see.
Good high quality H2O?
Mm-hmm.
Good deal.
Good too.
Yeah, good deal.